It is cold outside, and whenever the weather turns, I'm always craving a nice, warming winter beverage. So today I'm going to show you 3 great winter drinks that taste wonderful and are also wonderful for you. We've got lots of ultra nutritious foods like spices, herbs, aromatics, natural sweetness, and of course, chocolate. You will find all the recipe details in the description box below. And if you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which one you tried and which one you're most excited to try. Let's get started. If you need a super fun and delicious holiday DIY gift idea, look no further. This chai spice mix is fun and super simple to give to friends or enjoy yourself. We're gonna start out by chopping up some crystallized ginger and breaking up some cinnamon sticks. I also have some green cardamom pods and fennel seed. To that, we are going to add about a teaspoon of black peppercorn, a teaspoon of whole coriander seeds, a teaspoon of whole cloves, and a teaspoon of whole allspice. Then using a sharp knife, we're just gonna give those spices a rough chop. That way, when they steep in the hot water, they really release all of that wonderful flavor. You can find most of these spices in the regular spice aisle of your grocery store, and if not, I've linked down below where you can get them from Amazon. Next to a bowl, we are going to add about a cup of loose leaf black tea. Just use whatever type of black tea you enjoy. I used some Assam breakfast tea here. Toss in your spices and then store in a mason jar or airtight container. You can easily double, triple, quadruple this recipe if you're making for friends. When I do make this as gifts, I like to store in small jars and attach a fine mesh tea ball, which I've linked in the description box below, along with a little tag that says chai tea and a description of how to brew the perfect cup. I've also given an idea of what to put on that tag down below. To make a cup, we're going to heat either water or milk of choice until simmering. Add about a tablespoon of chai mix to a tea ball or this pretty nifty bottom dispensing teapot, also linked below. Let steep for 5 minutes and then add whatever sweetener you enjoy. I like just a touch of maple syrup. If you don't have a teapot like this one, you can add the tea straight to your milk or water and then pass it through a strainer. Next up, we are making some gorgeous, delicious drinking chocolate. We're gonna start with a plant-based milk of choice. I'm using macadamia nut milk here, but you could easily use almond, soy, oat, hemp, or whatever you like. Then we're adding a cup of canned coconut milk, which gives this hot chocolate a really rich, creamy texture. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, a dash of vanilla, and about 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Give it a really good whisk to dissolve the clumps of cacao powder. And then to take this super over the top, we're adding some chunks of nice dark chocolate and melting those in. You're gonna bring this to a simmer and then pour in your mugs. Y'all, this is like drinking a big, warm chocolate hug. Top with extra shaved chocolate or whipped cream if you're feeling extra. Finally, we are going to make a golden milk turmeric latte. Turmeric contains the compound curcumin, which is a really powerful antioxidant and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. I try and incorporate turmeric into my diet in as many ways possible. And this warm, cozy drink is a really nifty way to get a hefty dose of turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. We're starting with some almond milk, a little bit more canned coconut milk, about a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For just a little sweetness, adding 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Whisk this really well so that no clumps remain. Bring to a simmer and pour into a mug for a warming, slightly spicy, delicious, creamy golden milk latte. Hope you guys have enjoyed this cozy drink inspo. Let me know if you give one of them a try and stay tuned for more.